Today is Tuesday, September 25th. The time is 10:38 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Prime Hockey Break, break number 2. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards, www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Jeff Carter, Kings, serial number 237 out of 249. For the Calgary Flames, rookie autograph, dual patch, dual jersey, prime rookies, Roman Horak, serial number 48 out of 50. Next, we have a quad jersey, serial number 46 out of 75. We'll go to the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos, Evgeny Malkin, Marian Gaborik, and James Neal. For the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price, jumbo patch, serial number 6 out of 10. Prime signatures, Edmonton Oilers, Bill Ranford, serial number 26 out of 99. Next, for the Avalanche, Quebec Nordiques card, prime signatures, Paul Stastny, serial number 69 out of 99. And the last card goes to the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel, serial number 24 out of 25. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for hockey box breaks, I have another 2011-12 Panini Prime. For basketball box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Gold Standard. Ending tomorrow for baseball breaks, I have a 2012 Topps Triple Threads. For football box breaks for 2011, I have Panini Gold Standard and Panini Prime Signatures. For 2012 football breaks, I have Panini Momentum, Topps Finest, and Topps Inception.